Welcome to Day 14 Gratitude Challenge. Today's topic is Have a Magical Day. So we are halfway through the Gratitude Challenge, and it's very important that we make gratitude a way of life. That we should be in the vibration of gratitude all the time, whatever the situation you are in. So what is having a magical day? Basically, at the start of the day when you get up, you will be having the plan of the day, that you will be going to the office, you will be picking up some grocery, you will be dropping your child, or you will be doing some project work on your own. So many things you will be having, and you can visualize the best outcome of all these activities and express your gratitude to each one of them. See that hologram in your mind's eye, how the day is going fantastically well, and express your gratitude prior to the day, in the starting of the day itself. Then when you go through your day, everything appears to be going effortlessly, seamlessly, easily. Everything is flowing to you basically, and you will have such fun and joy in life that you enjoy your day so well, and things are carried out just like that. So it happens like that. So when you see that imagination, when you see that picture in your mind's eye, then even some new time-space expression of things will happen, and everything gets aligned accordingly, automatically, to fulfill your desires. So you give thanks for the experiences in your day going well. You must receive back experiences going well. This is the Sutra of gratitude. Whatever you give out, whatever the vibration you send out, that is what you are receiving in return. And it's instantaneous or simultaneous. It's basically. So whatever your plans are for today, may it be the traveling, meeting, or lunch with somebody, or project work, exercise, yoga, dropping off some dry cleaning, whatever it is, you express that magical words to each and every task, that they are going perfectly well as you have planned. And you be also open to something unexpected to show up, something good to show up in your lives. That is also very important. For example, if you are not liking going to a supermarket, that is the negative thing, you can visualize seeing it, that it is perfectly working for you. When you do that and you go to a supermarket, you may get a parking space at the door, and you find all the things that you wanted on the shelves, and they may be also on discount sometimes. And when you happen to come to the billing counter, the maybe new line opens, and you are called to the line that opened. And you just in minutes time you finish your shopping experience, and you may also bump into your friends and who can invite you for lunch. So many wonderful things happen when you are open and you express gratitude, so that you are not cluttered by your mind, and you are very receptive to the what universe is giving to you. So that's the wonder of the gratitude. And also at the end of the day, you can at the starting of the day itself, you can see something of great news coming to you. You need not know what it is, in what maybe it's a mail from a childhood friend, or some gift from unknown persons, or contribution from some foundation that you are always looking for. So many things can happen. So this great news initially may take a day's time or something like that, but once you keep practicing this gratitude, then it can happen even early. You will live a life of amazement and wonderment, that always things keep flowing to you, and you are just as a miracle, you will be a miracle. So that is the great gratitude for today. You have to visualize the whole day going well, and also you also visualize at the starting of the day that while going to the bed, you are feeling that grateful because the day went well, and when you feel that, it happens likewise. So that is the gratitude exercise for today. Sometimes people question like why the things are not going fine, you express more and more gratitude and give 10 more reasons why it went, why it can go, why it can work out. You look out for 10 different reasons and come up with expression of gratitude for that particular event. Then automatically things will change. Right? With this, I am concluding the session. Hope you had a wonderful time during these 14 days, and it's halfway through and there are more magic and miracles to unfold. So if you have manifested or actualized anything during these 14 days, something of unexpected or something of nice things that you always wanted, or you can always drop the message to me personally, or you can comment in the below this video. And thank you all.